Hello. Hi, I'm Amin. I have 3 year experience on Facebook ad and Google ad that help you to grow your business. I have worked multiple client more than 200 plus last 3 years and I help you to grow their business. I just show you one Google ad account in this short video. In this account you can able to watch I have spent a lots of money, and here you can see the huge number of conversation, and I have also worked and Facebook ad. In this account you can see I have spent 11,000 of US dollar, and I have generated 106 65 leads. So hope that you understand everything.